There were once passageways to the old world. And even though that old world is gone, you can still feel the echo of it.
Don't you think it's too much? What if you got nothing left to give?